A few weeks ago, I tweeted that ChatGPT was one feature away from building the AI product that I really want, which is a dedicated personal computer in the cloud for running AI agents. Lee from the Cursor team DM'd me shortly after to test Grokbot. What exactly is a dedicated cloud computer? You know the meme of people walking around with their laptop half open to keep their agents running? You don't have to do that anymore if you're using Grokbot. Basically, Grokbot lives in a computer sitting somewhere in SpaceX AI servers instead of in your home. It has its own browser and operating system that you can use and log into your favorite apps. Now let's do a quick comparison of Hermes, ChatGPT, and Grokbot. Hermes, I run on my Mac Mini at home. It's on 24/7, and it gives it a persistent computer, but you have to go buy the machine and set everything up for yourself. You can technically also run Hermes on a virtual private server, but that again requires more setup work. Now, ChatGPT work uses plugins and a cloud browser, but the problem is that browser, at least right now, cannot stay signed in to your favorite apps. The UX for ChatGPT work also feels scattered across chat, work, and codecs. Let's take a quick look here. It's just kind of like a mess of chat threads here. There's ChatGPT codecs, there's like another tab up here for work and chat, and it's just all really confusing, even to someone like me. In contrast, Grokbot gives you a persistent cloud computer right out the box. And I think it's the easiest of the three to set up and get going. And its interface, as you can see here, also feel a lot more focused and delightful. I love the little bots and the animations that they make when you start working, right? Let's say, look up the weather, and you can see here that there's some pretty cool, subtle animations. Each bot has a different personality and style, and this is the work of Cursor's great design team, including Jenny Wen and other folks on our team that I've interviewed in the past. Overall, I think this UX feels more like talking to a coworker than getting lost in 100 chat threads. So can Grokbot actually replace ChatGPT and Codex, which is my current daily driver? Let's run through some of my favorite bots right now. So the first bot that you should create after you install Grokbot is an advisor. Here I have my advisor pinned to the very top of my Grokbot list. With your advisor, you want to start by telling it about your work and life, and then actually ask it to give you some ideas for bots to create. Here's what I told my advisor. I'm a creator and founder of Behind the Craft. I have 2 daughters. I live in the Bay Area. I publish newsletter posts and